Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including a link to Amazon.com that has the Welcome to Town book for sale, from which the story first appeared, along with all the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to talk about door knockers around town. When my children were young, I used to spook them with tales about the hand door knockers all over town, insisting that, like Thing from the Addams Family, the hands came to life at night and finger-walked all over town. This started their instant fascination at pointing, pun intended, them out to me. Over time, I learned the hands had a language all their own. That jewelry, a ring or a bracelet, indicated wealth among the caste-obsessed Spaniards in town. A ruffled cuff indicated the home of a duke or a marquis. A piece of fruit held in the hand as a nod to our many colonial-era orchards. Often doors had both male and female knockers, which you used according to your gender. Each offered a different tone so inhabitants could decide if the door should be opened. Hand door knockers are known as Fatima's hand. Fatima was the daughter of the Prophet Muhammad. They are also sometimes called Khamas. Khamas, the Arabic word for five, which refers to the 5 fingers on a hand and to using your 5 senses to praise God. Hand door knockers are long believed to offer protection to the faithful that live in the house. In real estate, a hand door knocker represents a sentry at the portal. I'm sorry, not in real estate, in a real sense. A hand door knocker represents a sentry at the portal, a declination between one state and another, outside versus inside or old versus new, something lost versus something newly gained. Every human emotion and activity takes place in that thin space between then and now, where a single step can change everything. My personal favorite door knocker is the green hand, because it looks like the Wicked Witch of the West to me is standing on the other side of the door with just her hand protruding through the hole. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they get released here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.